Welcome back. This time we will try our very traditional favorite idlis, but in two variants. First, let us get the ingredients in place. 6 to 8 idlis, leftover or freshly made. All for shallow frying, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. For curry gravy, 1 onion, finely chopped, adjust according to servings. 2 tomatoes, chopped, adjust according to servings. 2 to 3 green chilies, slit lengthwise, adjust to your spice preference. A half-inch piece of ginger, minced. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, minced, optional. A half cup mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, bell peppers, etc. diced. A half cup thick coconut milk or cream such as Milky Mist, Amul. A half cup thin coconut milk or use water. A half teaspoon mustard seeds. A half teaspoon cumin seeds. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. A half teaspoon garam masala, optional. Salt to taste. Curry leaves, a few sprigs. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. All for cooking. Method: prepare idli pieces. Cut the idlis into small bite-sized pieces. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the idli pieces until they turn golden brown and slightly crispy. Remove them and set aside. Prepare curry gravy. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add chopped onions and saute until they become translucent. Add ginger and garlic and saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add green chilies and curry leaves and saute for another minute. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Saute the spices for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate from the mixture. Add the diced vegetables and cook for a few minutes until they become slightly tender. Add coconut milk or cream. Pour in the thin coconut milk or water and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are cooked through. Final assembly. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the fried idli pieces to the gravy and gently mix. Pour in the thick coconut milk and simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. Finally, optionally, add garam masala and stir well. Garnish and serve. Garnish the idli curry with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with steamed rice, dosa, or even chapati. Enjoy your homemade South Indian vegetarian idli curry. Adjust the spice levels to your taste and feel free to add more vegetables if you like. And now, the magic. Twist the character of the dish and turn it into a really southern favorite by doing this. Instead of cream or coconut milk, add thick curd after the frying pan cools down. Forget garam masala this time. I repeat, forget garam masala this time.